Hey coffee lovers, today I'm checking out the URintells Cuising espresso machine. Let's do the unboxing. Comes with a manual where we can see all the functions that the machine has, how to prepare single espresso, double espresso, Americano, ice espresso. This beautiful machine has 20 bars of pressures, so you know your espresso is going to be rich and smooth. Like any other product, make sure you read the instructions so you can use the machine properly. The water tank is about 1.2 liters, so it's perfect. Let's see what else is inside the box. So here we have the tamper. It's a plastic tamper. A single basket to make single shot of espresso. Also have the portafilter that comes with a double basket, so you can prepare double shot of espresso. The machine has this beautiful color screen that tells you it prepares espresso, Americano, cool espresso, double shot of espresso, and you can steam milk. Now let's make a cafe latte. First, I'm looking for 15 grams of freshly coffee beans. This spray is just water. That's to reduce the static while grinding the beans. Something really important that after 1 year of preparing coffee at home, I realize is that you really need to spend money on your grinder. This is something really important to make good coffee at home. Now let's see how the shot looks. Hey coffee lovers, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So I selected double espresso, that's what I'm looking for, to make this latte. So the machine is heating up until it stops blinking. And when you hear that sound, it's because the shot is about to start. A lot of crema. That means it's fresh coffee beans, and also the machine has the perfect pressure, which is 20 bars. See that beautiful shot? Wow, a lot of crema. Now I select the steam mode because we are going to do some latte art, and to do that we need to steam milk. That's what I'm doing right now. Something that I notice is that this machine has a lot of power. Make sure you always, after steaming milk, you clean your wand. Now let's pour some milk and let's see how the latte art goes. Well, it went perfectly. Coffee lovers, this was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you the next time.